Hi everyone, I've come to Norwich today for a work meeting, so I've got here early so that I can have a look around some of the charity shops, and I'm looking for a Beetlejuice black and white striped dress. If I can find that, it would be amazing, but I'm not going to hold out much hope, so come and have a look around the charity shops of Norwich with me. So here's our first one we're going to go and look at. Let's go and see what we can find in there. So here's the next one we're going to hunt round, which is up this road here, St Stephen's Street. If you're interested in Norwich and the Goth shops specifically, I've got a video on my YouTube channel, which is a Norwich Goth walking tour. So if you look on my list of videos, it's there. So here's the next one we're going to go and look in, which is up this road here, opposite Marks and Spencer's. There's another charity shop here where they've got a display of wedding dresses. I was just wondering, is it possible to dye a white wedding dress black? If anyone's ever done it, or if you know if you can you let me know in the comments, please? Because I'd like to know. Now we're going to walk down this road, see what's down here. I literally have never been down this road before in my life, and I've been to Norwich hundreds of times. You didn't even know these shops were here. Now we're walking down towards the Castle Mall shopping centre, So there's one or two charity shops in there. So here we are outside the YMCA one. Let's go and have a look in there. And then right opposite the one we've just been in, there's this one. So we're going to look in there. So now we're going to walk up this road here, where there's 2 or 3 charity shops up here as well. So here we are outside the British Heart Foundation one, which is up this road. So let's go and look in there. And then literally just up the road from that one we've just been in is this one. So let's go and have a look in here. And then right opposite the one we've just been in, there's another one. This is a great charity shop to go and have a look round because it's more of like a vintagey shop than a charity shop, and it's down Bridewell Alley. So let's go and have a look in there. This is also a charity shop called Lamb in the Lanes, and it's up the same Bridewell Alley, which is that one that we've just been in. Again, there's a lovely medieval themed wedding dress here, which would be great if it was red or black. Does anybody know if you can dye a white wedding dress, preferably black? Let me know in the comments, please, if you've ever done it or if you know how to do it. So this is the packed charity shop. Let's go and have a quick look in there. Okay, so I'm going for my work meeting now. When I've come back, I'll do the one charity shop I think I've not done yet. So that was a successful meeting. So here we are outside the Salvation Army charity shop in Lower Goat Lane. Let's go and have a look in there. Robert! Here we are at the Oxfam shop at Magdalen Street, which is up there. So a tip for when you're looking around charity shops is don't look for something specific. Go there with an open mind, and you never know what you might find. Every shop is different, so you can find something really unique, or perhaps you won't find anything. All I've bought today is a little black purse for £1.50. So that just about concludes our walking tour of Norwich charity shops today. Hope you've enjoyed it.